The major components of the 440 clock timer are the tripper arm and time arrow, the skipper wheel with skipper pins, and the red pointer knob. The 440 timer is available with a 6 or 7-day timer option. The 6-day timer is used when regeneration is required every 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or 6th day. The 7-day timer allows regeneration on specific days of the week. To set the correct time, pull the tripper arm out and rotate it counterclockwise until the timer arrow points to the actual time of day on the 24-hour dial. The unit is factory set for regeneration at 2:30 a.m. However, it can be adjusted for earlier or later regeneration by advancing or regressing the time of day. To set the days of regeneration, pull all of the skipper pins on the skipper wheel out. Rotate the skipper wheel until the day arrow points to the current day, or number 1. Then depress the skipper pins for the days for which regeneration is desired. To initiate a manual regeneration or guest cycle, simply depress the red pointer knob with a large straight blade screwdriver and turn it counterclockwise to the start position. The unit will begin regenerating. This won't affect the normal regeneration schedule. To remove the timer, rotate the timer locking flag to the 6 o'clock position and pull it out. Remove the cord strain relief from the top plate assembly. Then lift the timer out of the bracket away from the top plate. A single synchronous motor provides the power for both the clock and valve indexing.